Hi, Max. Okay, we're gonna have Max go out and run some birds out of them bushes. There's too many damn birds in them bushes. Alright, Max. You go get him. Go get him, Max. That's the way. Go get him. Some more in there? No more in there? That all? There we go. There we go. I knew there was more birds hiding in there. There's even more hiding in there. Look at them. They're all hiding in there. Yeah, Max will put a stop to that shit. You gotta pee on them just to make sure. Okay. Well, that's enough of that. That's enough of that. Right, Max? We're gonna play some tennis ball, so. Bye-bye.